What's up, everybody? September 16th, 2018. Today, we're going to be talking about Nano, reviewing the blockchain technology that it has, the benefits, and also a price analysis. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do our countdown. If you're watching this video, hit that thumbs up button. I do appreciate it. I think this is some valuable information that can definitely help you and a lot of other people in the market make some money with this coin. So let's go ahead and share the screen here. There we go. I was like, where to go? What happened? Boom, boom. We'll do our countdown, give everybody a chance to join us this Sunday morning. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Hopefully this works. Can you guys hear me and hear the music and all that good stuff? Oh, that was, we'll do our countdown, give everybody a chance to join. Let's take care of that. Got Miss Rhonda Hall in the building. Bariba Zach T. EOS Marketplace. Yes, I am live right now. Hopefully you're here as well. Happy Sunday, everybody. I don't see the chat, though. Hold on here. Let's see if we can fix this real quick. It's always something. Doesn't work right. Hold up. Hold up. We'll try it now. We'll come back to it. And again, I'm sorry it's choppy, but when I do these live streams, Google throttles down the bandwidth, so it's not much I can do about that. K. Archie, what's going on? That was Nicole sneezing in the background. Nicole, they said, bless you. Yeah. Thank you. I'm a perfectionist. I gotta fix that thing real quick. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty. That's nice. tell you, nobody else on YouTube has figured out how to do this. Live stream with OBS. Yeah, send the link, KRT. I'll check it out. I'm going to try to mute my microphone. If the music cuts off, just get in the chat and let me know, and I can see if I can fix it.
You were going live. Got a notification. Yeah.
That microphone, this microphone is like way too good. How do I like turn down the mic? I'm gonna just mute the microphone because I don't know how to let the music play, but not have it pick up all these noises in the background. Thanks for that link, KRT. I'll check that out. All right, all right, all right. Let's go ahead and get this party started. These are all the patrons, that's been active in the community, holding me down for the past couple months. Haven't done this little screen over in a while. I know KRT is on there, somewhere. And a lot of the big people, Zach, Corey Madden. I'm not sure if you on there, Corey, but, thank you for your support. Thank you for, tuning in. And without further ado, we can go ahead and get to today's discussion, right? What we will be talking about is Nano, N-A-N-O. That's that one right there, right? Let's do it. Live from the USA, hoping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. As you already know, Nano is on the schedule today, and I wanted to let you all know a little bit about the technology, the blockchain, the opportunity, and the market, right? How does the market value it? What does it think? And what's the likelihood of this coin going up in the near and dear future? So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get to profit as a result, and today is no exception. So with that being said, we'll do things a little bit differently today. Normally I give you a chance to earn some free BTC live on the air. What I'll do is I'll actually roll it back to tomorrow's video. So that way, everybody watching this video later in the day, you have a chance to win. Hit the thumbs up button. When I come on and do tomorrow's video, I'm going to check the likes. If we have more than, let's say, 75 likes on this video, I'm just going to do a random comment generator and pick a winner from the comments. So 2 things you need to do. Hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. And once we get 75 likes, I'll do another video, come on and pick a winner from all the comments, right? I can't like randomly generate who liked the video, but I can look through the comments and have the little software pick somebody from down there. So there you go. I think that'll be cool to see how that works moving into the future. And next thing we'll do here is jump on over. On next one, there it goes. This is the website, bossofbitcoin.com, right? Check it out if you're just getting set up. Learn how to chart like a boss. The method we use is patented intellectual property that I developed, but I give it to the people for free. So click that website, bossofbitcoin.com. Jump on over there, check out the videos in the playlist, and that will put you well on your way to make some money on the blockchain, right? So here we go. This is what we got going today. Before we jump into that, I wanted to go to the Nano website, right? And if you're not sure what the Nano website is, you can just type in Nano coin on Google. Look at that, already ranking. You know what I'm saying? Right there, one of the top videos on Nano, right? Nano.org is the website, right? They have this little video right here. I don't want to play it. Basically talks about their value proposition. What do they do better than anyone else? And that's speed, I think. They're one of the fastest, most lightweight, simplest cryptos that is, they say, infinitely scalable, right? I like to think of it as like waiting. I'm trying to think. Bitcoin, the problem with Bitcoin is that because it's a distributed ledger, right? Each ledger must agree. It must be the same, right? That's good and that's bad. That's good because, the longer the ledger is, the more value the ledger has, the more accurate it is, over time. But it's bad because you must wait in line to be confirmed by the network, right? And as a result, Bitcoin, I think, can only have about 7 transactions per second, something like that, which is really slow in the world of digital commerce nowadays. I think Visa can accommodate like 2,000 transactions per second. And these guys, I think they're able to accommodate much, much more than that, right? Not sure if they say on the website here, but it's basically due to a lattice style blockchain. The way I like to think of it is think of a line of fish, right? Swimming in one big long line, right? Fish, 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 right? All those fish swim, you know, in one line. They all go in the same way, you know, they all receive the same value on the other side of wherever they're going, but they have to wait in that long line, right? A lattice network is like a school of fish, right? That school of fish can swim anywhere that school of fish wants, and all of them can receive the value at the same time. That school of fish can essentially swim through a fence. Think of a fence. A fence has the lattice framework with all the little grid holes, right? A school of fish can swim through that fence with no problem, whereas the long line of fish, they have to swim through the fence one at a time, right? So that's a good way to think about it, where the value is basically distributed, decentralized, and autonomous within the system of itself, right? So it's just a unique way to do it. And as a result, these guys are very, very fast. They're very, very, I don't want to say cheap, but they're very, very efficient. And therefore, there is not a lot of value lost in the transmission of their economy, right? Think of a car with gasoline in the car. You want that gas to be as efficient as possible, even though a car is only like 10% efficient, you know, like all the gasoline you put in your car, you really should only be using, you know, maybe 1 or 2 gallons. We have to put in 10 or 20 gallons because the car is so inefficient, right? That's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a huge, huge, huge machine, but it's also very inefficient. And this is the argument that a lot of, naysayers bring up, is that, oh my God, the electricity, the energy, the inefficiency of the network, boom, boom, boom. Well, here you go. You got an example right here. These guys came out and actually, their airdrop was interesting, because they wanted to make it accessible to everybody. They didn't want, some rich farmers in Dubai, rich miners in Dubai hogging up all the value from the network, being the first to receive it. So they introduced a CAPTCHA faucet system, right? To where all you had to do in order to receive some coins was, click on all the cats and they would have rewarded you with nano coins. They didn't have a pre-mining period to where, some of the coins were held back for the company and all this stuff. It was literally released to the world, and all the coins in circulation right now are all the coins that will ever be in circulation, right? So just looking at the charts off the top, this is already a top 30 coin right here, Nano. Circulating supply and max supply, right? 130 million, 130 million. Everything's out there already, right? And it's already $2 on, a 80% crypto correction, right? Like back in December, this thing was $34. Now you can get it for $250. Right? Need about 250, right? So now we want to take a look at the charts. Is it beneficial to buy? What does the energy look like? What does the resonance look like? What does the market say? So this is Nano to BTC on a 343. First thing I'm going to do is take a look down here. Again, if this method is new to you, that's fine. Type in chart like a boss on Google and you'll see my playlist. Watch that playlist. You will be well on your way to making some money. Biggest thing you want to note is the 77 is above the 231. And that's good. 231 is going up. 77's on top of it. That's good, right? We did have this little pop down here, right, where we were able to make some money. That looks like the energy that we'll be playing to on this next cycle, right? It's not bad. Not bad right now. That means we have quick energy coming back into the coin. Now let's check out some of this long energy, right? I could do this a couple ways because this thing was just basically an ascended free fall, right? That's one of the limitations on this coin right now, is it doesn't really have global, I say global distribution. I would like to see it on Binance, Bitraged, and maybe like Bitfinex or something like that. But essentially, it's just on Binance. Binance is fine, especially for these smaller cap altcoins. But you can see, because it was just one exchange at a really bad part of the market, it literally got crushed. But what we can do is we can probably just take a cycle from there to there, breakdown to breakdown. And we could just do a regular straight line cycle. I hit pretty good. So what I did there is I did my straight line cycle sequence from here to here, right? Basically the top of the 77 to the top of the 77. That gave me this little flat line zone right there, which was like a cool off period. And it gave me this little run up right here, right? Keep in mind, those are like almost the exact same height, you know, which is interesting as well. So it's kind of like a floor, right? Negative, negative, positive, right? We do a Fibonacci from those 2 points. This yellow line is like our limbo zone, right? And so remember, I said negative, negative, positive, right? Two negatives give you a positive. Negative times negative equals positive, which means this was negative energy confirmed, and it reversed right there, right? Now we can come down into this thing. Now that we know we have the negative energy reversed on the other side, and we have this quick positive energy, now we can do one like that. And this is where we're looking right now, right? And if I wanted to do a fib on this one, capture that right there. What do I want? What do I want? Bring it right there. What this shows is a fib extension on that little quick cycle right there. Terminates that 4.2 to 4.6. Let me change this into a white line so we get the double white lines at the end. 4.2 to 4.6 terminates at this next little long cycle in November, right? So that means something's going to happen in the middle of November. It's going to start a new cycle. Because we have quick positive energy, I think this is going to be a floor for us. This 32.58 going to be a floor. I don't see us dropping much lower than that if we do fall. But more than likely, we're going to be pulled to that 1.6, right? And the reason I say that is because we already hit our head once on the quick 1.6. So when the big energy comes back, it's going to want to take us to the big 1.6. And we can say that's when it will want to happen. And you get some quick support right there. This is going to be like your macro run. I like that as a floor. And there you go. Right? Got a couple confirmations throughout this thing. This is one of them down here as well, right? Keep in mind, again, if Bitcoin falls, we could fall, especially this being a younger coin, only on one exchange. But I think this is a very good floor, right? 32. Anything under 32 before October, I would buy into that, expecting another run in November, right? But I think the long money already supports this coin at these prices. So it's just a matter of how much they want to buy and how quick they want to buy it. I think Visa knows what this is. When I was doing the research on this coin, they said when it was Rayblox, it was, talked about in the crypto community as kind of the response to the Lightning Network, right? So you have, Lightning Network with Bitcoin and Litecoin, and then you had Rayblox on Nano, the I don't know if it's ERC20, it might be its own coin, its own blockchain, but that was kind of like the other side, right? The answer. So there you go. It's a very quick, kind of turbulent technical analysis. I think this would be the ceiling whenever we do break out. This is going to be kind of like the end of the road up there at 8,500, So I wouldn't expect to see a moonshot. But once we get above 40, then we'll be going up to 60 pretty quick, right? So you buy it at 32, expecting to go to 40, knowing that once you break 40, you're going to 60. There you go. And that is how you chart like a boss. Oh, so there you go, guys. If you're in the chat right now, shout your country out. Let's show our people some love that's been holding us down. Everybody else, we're going to jump over to the resources that we have available. Again, bossofbitcoin.com. I think it's one of the top crypto trading sites out there, especially for the newcomers. You scroll down a little bit, see my man on the right-hand side, putting on for a city. Helping the people get some money in these streets. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Chart like a boss playlist. We already told you about that. We got some products available. I know times is hard out here for people. So that's why I made this one specifically for people just getting set up. $35. It's a monthly list of the top 10 coins. The profit package is very, 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 very difficult to lose money using my picks. I think last month we averaged about 6% per coin. And so the monthly profit package is updated every month, $35. If you want it every week, $100 for the month. And then if you want to have direct access to me, get priority and exclusive marketing messages, boss method, bam, boss alert messages is for you, right? Biggest thing is, I just want this content to be accessible to the people. There's a lot of clowns out there flooding YouTube with BS content. So that's why I'm taking the time to go through and review some of these big opportunities that will be coming up to try to offset that. So again, I need you to like the video, leave me a comment, and I will pay you for it on our next video, right? So there you go. That's what I learned at Notre Dame. That which gets rewarded gets done. So let's go ahead and give some rewards out and let's get this stuff done, right? Then, you know what I'm saying? When you want some free support, free help, 24-hour, free customer service, technical assistance, #1 Bitcoin group in the world, stop right there. 20,000 of my best friends come together 7 days a week, keeping each other empowered and in profit in the marketplace, right? And so that's what we're trying to do, man. Bring it back to the days of people helping people. You know what I'm saying? Each one, reach one, reach one, teach one. We only got 2 people shouted out. They country, it looked like Flo Rida. What's going on? And Daryl. Nobody else? Big Dave from Saudi. KRT been rocking out with me for almost going on a year and a half now. You know what I'm saying? Florida. I remember she talked about playing the currency games with like the milkman, because she knew like the currency exchange. Milkman ain't know the currency exchange. So she would like trade quarters and dimes with the milkman and make some money on the exchange. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day. That was pretty cool. Kariba from Georgia, Georgia. There you go, guys. I know it's early on Sunday. A lot of people still in bed right now. Like I said, the markets don't sleep. You know what I'm saying? So I'm up early in the AM helping you get a piece of the pie to eat. With that being said, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boats, boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Money. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. See if you win some free BTC. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.